The water and the fire and the army, dangerously in the world. Very dangerous. My father said to me that. And the fire, very scary. Overnight,